Hello guys, welcome back in Creative Attack and happy Friendship Day to my all subscribers and friends who are watching me making this video. Let's start. So we are making friendship bracelets in some different ways which I will tell you how to make them. Now the time for first method. Now the time for the second one. Make your friends happy with giving them these friendship bands made by your hands. Thanks for watching and keep watching Creative Attack. And subscribe the channel, like, comment and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye. See you in the next video.